Tokyo is one of the biggest cities in the world, and at first, it can feel impossible to understand. The trains seem endless, the streets are always busy, and every neighborhood looks like it has something exciting to offer. But don't let that scare you. Tokyo is actually one of the easiest cities to explore once you know the basics. In this guide, you'll learn where to stay, what to eat, how to use the trains, and which places are truly worth your time. By the end, you'll feel much more confident planning your very first trip to Japan. 1. Why Tokyo is the perfect first stop in Japan. For most international travelers, Tokyo is the perfect place to begin a trip across Japan. Nearly all major international flights arrive at either Haneda Airport or Narita Airport, making the city easy to reach from almost anywhere in the world. Once you arrive, an excellent network of trains and subways can take you almost anywhere quickly and safely. Tokyo is also one of the safest large cities you can visit. Even if you walk around at night, you'll usually see families, students, and office workers going about their daily lives. English signs are now common in train stations, airports, and many tourist areas, making navigation much easier than it was years ago. Another reason visitors love Tokyo is its amazing variety. In just one day, you can admire a peaceful temple in the morning, enjoy fresh sushi for lunch, shop in a modern department store during the afternoon, and end your evening under colorful neon lights. Most first-time visitors continue their journey to Kyoto and Osaka afterward, but Tokyo gives you the perfect introduction to everything Japan has to offer. 2. How much does Tokyo cost? Many people believe Tokyo is one of the most expensive cities in the world. While it is not the cheapest destination in Japan, it is often more affordable than first-time visitors expect. Your daily budget depends on how you like to travel. Budget travelers can usually spend around 12,000 yen to 18,000 yen per day by staying in hostels, eating at convenience stores or casual restaurants, and using public transportation. A comfortable mid-range trip costs about 25,000 yen to 40,000 yen per day, including a business hotel, restaurant meals, train fares, and a few attractions. Luxury travelers should expect to spend 60,000 yen or more each day. The good news is that Tokyo offers excellent value. Delicious ramen, sushi, and rice bowls can often cost less than a fast food meal in many Western countries. Convenience stores like 7-Eleven, Family Mart, and Lawson also sell fresh, affordable food that is perfect for breakfast or a quick lunch. 3. Getting around Tokyo like a local. The best way to explore Tokyo is by train and subway. The city has one of the largest public transportation systems in the world, but it is also one of the most reliable. Trains are clean, safe, and almost always arrive on time. For first-time visitors, the JR Yamanote line is the easiest place to start. This famous loop line connects many of Tokyo's most popular areas, including Shibuya, Shinjuku, Ueno, and Akihabara. For places beyond the JR network, Tokyo Metro and Toei subway lines cover nearly every corner of the city. Instead of buying a paper ticket for every trip, use a mobile Suica or mobile Passmo on your smartphone. If your phone is not compatible, you can also use a physical IC card when available. Simply tap your phone or card at the station gates, and the correct fare is charged automatically. Google Maps works extremely well in Tokyo. It tells you which platform to use, when the next train arrives, and even which train car is best for making your transfer easier. If possible, avoid traveling between 7:30 and 9 in the morning or 5 and 7 in the evening, when trains are at their busiest. 4. The 5 best areas every first-time visitor should explore. Every neighborhood in Tokyo has its own personality. Instead of trying to visit everything, focus on these 5 areas to experience the city's many different sides. Start with Shibuya, the energetic heart of modern Tokyo. Almost every visitor stops at the famous Shibuya Scramble Crossing, where hundreds of people cross the street from every direction at once. After that, head up to Shibuya Sky for one of the best views of the city. As the sun goes down, the streets become even more exciting with bright lights, shopping, and restaurants. It is the perfect place to spend your first evening in Tokyo. Next is Shinjuku, a district full of tall skyscrapers and endless entertainment. During the day, Visit the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building, where you can enjoy a fantastic panoramic view for free. At night, explore the narrow streets of Omoide Yokocho and Golden Gai. These small alleys are filled with tiny bars and local restaurants, giving you a taste of old Tokyo hidden inside the modern city. If you want to experience Japan's history, visit Asakusa. Walk through the famous Kaminarimon Gate before reaching Sensoji, Tokyo's oldest Buddhist temple. Along Nakamise Street, you can shop for traditional souvenirs and try local snacks that have been enjoyed for generations. For something completely different, spend a few hours in Harajuku. Takashita Street is famous for colorful fashion, trendy cafes, and sweet treats. Just a short walk away, the peaceful forest paths of Meiji Jingu Shrine offer a quiet escape from the busy city. It feels like visiting two different worlds in one neighborhood. Finally, explore Akihabara, the center of anime, manga, gaming, and electronics. Even if you're not a huge fan of Japanese pop culture, the giant game centers, unique shops, and lively atmosphere make it a fun place to visit at least once. 5. What you should eat in Tokyo. Tokyo is one of the best food cities in the world, and you don't need a big budget to enjoy it. One of the first dishes you should try is ramen. Every bowl has its own flavor. Tonkotsu ramen has a rich pork bone broth, shoyu ramen has a lighter soy sauce taste, and miso ramen offers a warm, slightly sweet flavor that is especially popular during cooler weather. Fresh sushi is another must-try. While many people think of expensive sushi restaurants, you can also enjoy excellent quality at local shops around the Toyosu Market area. Many neighborhood sushi restaurants serve fresh seafood at reasonable prices, making them a great choice for first-time visitors. Don't forget Tokyo's famous street snacks. Warm taiyaki filled with sweet red bean paste or custard, fluffy melon pan, freshly made crepes, crispy karage, and matcha desserts are all worth tasting. For quick and affordable meals, visit convenience stores like 7-Eleven, Family Mart, or Lawson. They offer surprisingly fresh sandwiches, rice balls, salads, desserts, and hot meals that are perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a late-night snack. 6. Essential travel tips most tourists learn too late. A few simple tips can make your Tokyo trip much smoother. First, stay connected. Buy an eSIM before you arrive, or rent a pocket Wi-Fi at the airport. Having internet access makes it much easier to use Google Maps, translate Japanese signs, and find nearby restaurants. Although credit cards and mobile payments are accepted in many places, it is still smart to carry some cash. Small ramen shops, local cafes, temple donation boxes, and a few family-run businesses may only accept Japanese yen. Good manners are also an important part of traveling in Japan. Speak quietly on trains, wait patiently in line, and avoid eating while walking on busy streets. Since public trash bins are limited, keep a small bag for your garbage until you find a place to throw it away. If you can choose when to visit, spring and autumn offer the most comfortable weather. Summer is hot and humid, so bring water and dress lightly. Winter is cold but often sunny, making it another pleasant season for sightseeing. 7. Suggested 4-day Tokyo itinerary. If this is your first visit, you don't need to rush from one side of Tokyo to the other. A simple plan will help you enjoy more while spending less time on trains. On day 1, begin in Shibuya to experience the famous Scramble Crossing before heading to Harajuku. Spend some time on Takeshita Street, then relax among the peaceful trees of Meiji Jingu Shrine. On day 2, explore the traditional site of Tokyo in Asakusa. Visit Sensoji Temple, browse Nakamise Street, then continue to nearby Ueno before ending your evening in Akihabara. On day 3, discover Shinjuku. Enjoy the free city view from the Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building, shop around the station area, and finish the day with dinner in Omoide Yokocho or a walk through Golden Gai. On day 4, choose what interests you most. You could experience the incredible digital art at TeamLab Planets, explore the Toyosu waterfront, relax in Odaiba, shop in elegant Ginza, or enjoy breathtaking views from Tokyo Skytree. This route keeps each day's attractions close together, making your trip more relaxing and efficient. Tokyo may look overwhelming when you first arrive, but it quickly becomes a city that is easy to love. Every neighborhood has its own story, every train ride leads to something new, and every meal becomes a memorable experience. You don't need to see everything on your first visit. Simply enjoy a few amazing districts, taste the local food, and experience the unique mix of tradition and modern life. There's a good chance your first trip to Tokyo won't be your last. If this guide helped you plan your trip, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Japan travel guides.